Let's talk about how to use smart reports to review your finances monthly, and why doing this the right way will not only save you time, but also give you insights that will make all the difference in achieving your financial goals. You might think reviewing your finances is just about looking at your bank balance or checking a few numbers, but there's so much more to it. In fact, most people are missing out on key data that could be a game changer for their financial strategy. Stay with me till the end, because there's a specific tool I'll mention in a minute that completely transformed how I approach financial tracking. And it's not something other creators or financial gurus usually talk about. Here's why you need smart reports for your financial review. Traditional methods like manually tracking every dollar or using basic spreadsheet templates can quickly become overwhelming. And let's face it, most people give up after a couple of months. What you need is a streamlined, smart system that automatically categorizes and analyzes your spending, investments, and savings in a way that's easy to digest. That's where smart reports come in. These reports help you see patterns you might not have noticed, like where you're overspending or where you could be optimizing your investments. But here's where it gets interesting. A smart report isn't just about numbers. It's about how those numbers tell a story. It's about using financial data to highlight trends that matter. For instance, if you're spending too much on subscriptions or consistently underfunding your retirement savings, a smart report can point that out clearly. And what's even better, you can track your progress month to month and make adjustments before the problem snowballs into something bigger. Now, here's the secret weapon you probably won't hear from the majority of financial influencers who are pushing affiliate links to apps. A good smart report doesn't just throw numbers at you, it tells you why those numbers matter and how to take action. It helps you understand your financial health at a glance, so you can quickly identify areas for improvement. The best part? You don't need to be a financial expert to use these reports. Most people make the mistake of ignoring these insights because they don't have time or they don't know where to start. But what if I told you that a 10-minute financial review each month using these smart reports could save you hundreds or even thousands over the course of the year? Let that sink in for a second. A simple habit, done right, could change your financial future. So, how do you make the most of smart reports? First, start by setting a clear financial goal. It could be reducing your debt, saving for a home, or maximizing your retirement contributions. A smart report will give you the data you need to track that goal month over month. For example, you could look at your debt-to-income ratio over time, or see how much of your income is going toward short-term expenses versus long-term savings. Once you've established your goal, start categorizing your expenses and income. Most smart reports have features that automatically sort your transactions, so you can easily see where your money is going. This is where you'll uncover the hidden money leaks, like those small subscriptions or impulse purchases you've been overlooking. After reviewing your current situation, it's time to focus on improvement. Smart reports often come with built-in action plans or recommendations. For example, if you're spending more on food than you planned, the report might suggest cutting down on dining out or opting for meal prepping. These actionable insights can help you make changes that matter, without wasting hours doing manual calculations. At the end of the day, smart reports are all about making your financial review process easier and more effective. They take the guesswork out of the equation, so you can make smarter, more informed decisions. And as a bonus, if you start using them now, you'll be ahead of the curve compared to most people who just review their finances once a year. That's where the real power lies. Before you go, if you've learned something valuable from this video and want more content that doesn't have hidden affiliate incentives, just straight up, honest advice, consider subscribing. You'll be supporting content that's designed to help you, not sell you.